Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be exploring an exciting new feature of Canva called Byte Sync. But before we begin, please note that you need a premium account or at least the trial version to access this feature. So let's begin. In the first step, open the Canva app. On the top of the screen, search for and select the video option. Below the video category, you will find a mobile video. Tap on it. Now, you can choose a preset project or start with a blank canvas to insert your own video. Once you have the video in place, let's add some audio. Tap on the plus button located in the inner left side of the screen and select Elements option. Search for an audio track of your choice. You can either use a pre-selected example or import your own audio. Finally, click on the soundtrack you have added and then swipe the bar located below to turn on the Byte Sync feature. Once you're satisfied, confirm your selection. And there you have it. You have successfully utilized the Byte Sync feature in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to Online Success and click on the video on the screen for more help.